Here we're going to talk about the idea of standard time. So what is standard time? It's the amount of time that's expected to be needed to set up or to produce an item plus the expected production rate, which is how many pieces per hour or the time to make one piece. And this is what's needed to produce successfully. So an example would be this. If I have a setup, a step in the routing, it shows 30 minutes to be set up as a machine, and then it's expected to be producing a part at every 30 seconds. So the standard would be 30 minutes to set up, 30 seconds for every part to be run. So this becomes important because it allows manufacturing to be able to plan at a much more precise and detailed level what needs to be produced and when, and then by default, what specific start and completion times. From a financial standpoint, the financial folks can now determine with much greater precision what it actually costs to produce an item. And from a sales perspective, sales can now determine, based on standard times, what price to sell a product at to maintain the desired profit margin. So, let me give you an example here. It's going to be a little bit of a story. You got to listen, maybe close your eyes and listen to this one. A job arrives at 8 a.m. and needs 30 minutes to set up, and then it also needs 2 minutes to produce a part, and I have to build 30 pieces. So that means you need an hour and a half to complete the job. 30 pieces at 2 minutes apart is 60 minutes, and 30 minutes for the setup. 90 minutes total, or an hour and a half. The scheduler now knows that this job arriving at 8 a.m. will complete its setup at 8:30 a.m., start running production about 8:30 a.m., and will complete production at 9:30 a.m. And the finance person who knows the cost of production is $100, euros, yuans, whatever currency per hour, now knows it will cost $150 to produce the part, and the material cost of $50. Now we know that the cost to produce the part is $200, which is the $150 for labor, $50 for material. The salesperson who is instructed to double the cost to set and sell at the retail price now takes the $200 and doubles it to $400, and this maintains the profit margin of 50%. So a lot is tied to determining an accurate and repetitive standard time. From an impact in this business then, with a healthy profit margin, because it knows its costs, it knows what to sell the item for, and it knows how to accomplish this. And companies that can accomplish the above generate higher margins, allows them the flexibility to have more available funds to tackle new opportunities that arise. So there's future ramifications on being able to produce to a standard cost.